Hello, it's the Animaties here, and remember this is not my actual voice because this is like videos. So we are not going to be making Captain America, but he's just standing there anyway. We are going to be making Wonder Woman. So first you need this Kai top, like from the Ninjago movie Lego sets, and rabbit, and from the Lego Batman series, the rabbit girl, and just like normal hands, and also you're gonna need the rabbit girl face, and yeah. Then you're gonna need like Lego friends here, and yeah, and then your bright blue pants, and I think this came from like a creator set from America, and this did too. This is just a random grey piece that you can get in lots of sets. Put that on the shield, and then you put the sword on, and the shield. And then that's it. And I made this video if you've been wanting to like have a Wonder Woman for a long time. This is what you will want. So bye bye, and I will see you all later.